Once upon a time, in the green and rainy land of England, among cheeses and pickles, people created a dish from the simple combination of potatoes and meat, one that later became one of the most delicious foods in the country, shepherd's pie. One day, a village cook decided to create a miracle from these simple ingredients. He first ground the meat and cooked the potatoes in a large pot until they became completely soft. He knew well that potatoes, with their carbohydrates and fiber, gave plenty of energy to the village children. To get a smooth mashed potato, it's best to cook the potatoes until they're fully tender, so they mix more easily with the butter and milk. When the potatoes were cooked, he mashed them while they were still hot and mixed them with butter, milk, and a bit of salt and pepper to make a smooth and tender puree. Mix the potatoes well so they fully combine with the butter and milk and become completely smooth. In the next step, chop the onion, bell pepper, and garlic so they can give your dish an amazing flavor. Then he sautéed onions and garlic, added the meat, and when its color changed, he poured in bell peppers, spices, and tomato paste to make the mixture colorful and fragrant. Mix the ingredients thoroughly so the flavors blend together and become really delicious. You need to give this dish plenty of time to cook and combine so all the ingredients come together well and develop a rich, full flavor. After adding the spices and tomato paste, add a little water to the dish and let it cook well. The cook spread the meat mixture at the bottom of a dish, covered it like a soft blanket with the potato puree, and sprinkled some cheese on top. Finally, sprinkle the pizza cheese evenly over the surface of the dish to enjoy a delicious and amazing taste. He placed the dish in the oven so that it could bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until the top turned golden. When the shepherd's pie came out of the oven, its aroma and appearance amazed everyone. From that day on, this dish became one of the beloved flavors of England. And now, by making it yourself, you too become part of this delicious story.